Using my speed glass welding lens. I'm on shade 12, which is extremely dim because the sun is extremely bright. Sensitivity 4. There you go. Nibiru Planet X. It doesn't get any crystal clearer than that, does it? I'm just fucking with you guys. Proving that it's not a light anomaly. That is Nibiru. Alright, well there you go. You guys all have a good night. Love you all. Crazy. Crazy times we're living in.